Mommy, my chest is paining me.
Steve, you're disturbing me. Go and meet Anna.
Mom, but...
Look who is here. Stevie, how are you?
Hi. Auntie, good evening.
Evening. Auntie, good evening.
Good evening.
Where's my uncle?
I do not know.
Okay, Stevie, let's go upstairs. I have something for you.
Hold on to the vow you made to each other. For better, for worse, is the journey of love. A wise woman built, but the foolish destroys. Be careful to avoid regret.
Steve. Why are you sitting here? What is it?
What is wrong with Mama?
Nothing is wrong with Mama.
Is she angry with me?
Come on, Steve. Mama cannot be angry with you. Probably she's just having a bad day. Stop. Have you done your assignment? Why? You don't want to do it? Are you not going to go to school tomorrow? Let's go and do it.
Babe, come on. What is it? What have I done wrong?
Oh, mister, shut up. If you do not want us to sleep, I'm going to leave this bed for you. In short, enjoy the bed.
Babe, wait. What have I done? Eh? Tell me. What did I do? If I've done anything in the past, tell me. Why are you behaving like this to me?
Stupid question.
What did you just say?
I said you ask stupid questions. Can't you feel the distance between us?
Baby, you're the one creating the distance. Huh? You're the one. It's not fair that you're treating me this way. It's not fair. Come on.
Okay, no. Enjoy this bed. Hey, no.
Babe, please don't do this. Don't do this. Come on, don't do this.
Enjoy it alone. Sleep.
Oh. Babe? Babe? Babe?
Can you stop this? I don't want. Just stop it. Leave me alone. I don't want. Stay on your space.
I know. Okay,
Stop.
okay, let me tell you something.
I don't want to see any stupid questions.
Okay,
Stop.
Okay, calm down.
Don't touch me. Don't even come close, please. I don't want to hear anything.
Babe, okay, hold on. Let me tell you something. You need to understand something here. This is mine. I paid for it. And I paid in full. So you should allow me.
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Babe.
Don't come close to me.
I want to feel it. Huh?
You don't want me to be in this room? Okay. I will leave this room and leave this bed for you. Enjoy it.
Don't do this now.
Please leave me alone!
Away.
Hello, sugar. I was just about calling you. How are you? I know you miss me, but don't worry, very soon we're going to be together and nobody can separate us.
Ah, okay. Okay now. Is that what you're going to say? Hmm? It's okay, you know I love you now. I love you. I love you so much. For real.
I love you too.
I can't wait to see you. Okay, give me a kiss. Huh? Baby, give me a kiss now. Bacon, give me a kiss. At least if you give me the kiss now, my heart not will relax this night. Alright. I love you. Can't wait to see you.
Bye.
Beg. Before she go wake up from her slumber, I'm already in Canada with my beloved man. I don't come this life to suffer. That's why they don't chop, they don't chop.
Oh, Mandy. You make me feel butterflies in my belly. I love you. 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 I love you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, Mandy.
Be careful to avoid regret.
Dad, where is mommy?
Oh, mommy is still sleeping.
Is she still angry?
No. Mommy is not angry. Mommy is tired, so she's sleeping.
Okay.
You can go now. Won't you give daddy a hug? That's my son. Okay. Stay out of trouble, eh? Rush, eh? Your boss is waiting for you. Rush. Hey. Hey, baby. You know what? I am going to pump my wife today. Breakfast is ready. Come on. You're about 8.
Have you started with the divorce process?
Are you serious?
Would you like me to do it myself?
Babe, what is it? Why are you doing this? What have I done?
You haven't done anything to me. I just want freedom from this bondage.
Freedom, you said? Freedom? Okay, what of Steve?
He is your son. You should take responsibility.
Babe, come on. Why are you sounding like this? Huh? You're not lacking anything in this house. I provide you with everything. Why are you hurting me?
I do not have time for all this. I want a divorce, and that is final.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We wish you long life, peace, and grace of God. All the good things in life, we wish Mommy, right? In Jesus' name.
Amen. Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, my love.
The only thing I want, the only gift I want today is for you to free me from this marriage. Excuse me.
Does mommy not like the cake?
No, she likes it. Well, she's just in a hurry to go to somewhere. Huh? Okay, take him upstairs.
Dad, I don't want to go upstairs. I want to eat the cake.
Okay, she's going to cut your own and bring to your room. Okay? Now you go upstairs. Yeah. You're awake already? Babe?
Isn't I'm tired?
I know you'll be tired. You know, that's why I woke up earlier to go prepare the breakfast. And it will soon be ready. Okay, just in a few minutes. And I got you this. Take a look. You like it, huh?
I'm tired of this marriage.
What? Oh, babe, wait. What did you just say?
Isn't it? I have tried to pretend that I still love you. I hurt myself by doing so.
Come on. Why doing this? What's going on? What are you talking about?
Isn't it? I do not have feelings for you anymore. Isn't it? I don't love you anymore.
Babe, come on, stop this. You love to joke about things like this.
I am serious, Isn't it? I'm not joking. I am serious.
I know you.
Does it look like I'm joking? I am not joking. The feelings I have for you is dead. D-E-A-D, dead.
Are you serious? Babe? See. Let me tell you something. Whenever you joke about things like this, I don't just like it. So stop it now. Stop it. Stop it.
Don't touch me. Don't.
What is this? I know you're joking.
Excuse me. Do you think I'm joking?
Trying to understand this. What do you mean you don't love him anymore? Like, what does that even mean?
It means I don't love him. I don't love him anymore, and I mean it.
How? What happened to all the love? I mean, what happened to the love you both shared? What happened to all the care and compassion he's shown you all these years? Even when his family asked him to throw you out when you couldn't conceive, he stood by you.
Ozio, my love dies. The love I had for Izuna is dead. You don't expect me to keep staying in an unhappy marriage. I can't force myself. I'm not happy. I might just wake up one day and realize I'm dead.
Are you seeing someone else? I mean, is this about someone else?
This is not about seeing someone else.
Has he assaulted you in any way?
He hasn't. He wouldn't dare.
Then what is the problem?
Osioma, I have told you. I am tired. The marriage tastes insipid now.
This is an error. Like, I feel sick for you already. What are you doing? What? Huh? If this is about any other person, trust me, Ebube, that man is trying to ruin your marriage. This is madness. You have it all. Why throw it all away?
Osioma, I know what I want. Excuse me, I'm out of here.
It's an error. God, she's making a mistake, a huge one. This is not her. This is not Ebube. This is unlike her. This is... Oh God, she's making an error. I can't help her.
I don't know what's happening. How do we raise money to get food items? How do we raise money to buy baby stuff? And even if this baby comes now, how do we take care of the child?
See, baby, stop being worried over nothing. Being pregnant alone is enough stress on its own. Look, I told you that I have a plan. Once it matures, all these things will be sorted out.
This your sugar mommy seems she's stingy.
She's not stingy. She's working on something that is going to benefit the both of us.
I can't wait.
Baby, see, I think she's here. Please just go to the bedroom, please. Please go. Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, stop. Wait, I'm coming. Baby, you're here. Oh, yeah. I missed you.
Who are you with? I heard voices.
Oh, I was on the call.
You were on the phone.
Yeah.
Why did you call me last night?
Baby, I had too much alcohol and I slept off. I just woke up not long ago.
Okay, I need a cuddle.
That you get, my sweetheart.
Oh, take me to the bedroom and cuddle me.
Just sit. Why don't we just stay here? The bedroom is hot and you know the AC is not working.
Are you going to cuddle me here and make love to me on the sofa?
I didn't know you wanted us to make love.
Meet me in the bedroom.
Babe, just wait. Okay. So, we go. It's okay.
Why are you looking confused and nervous?
I'm not confused. I just need to eat. I've not had anything good to eat since yesterday.
So you're going to leave me like this?
Please, stop pretending like you don't know I need money to take care of myself.
I told you I'm working on something. In the next 7 days, I'll be divorced and you will have me all to yourself.
That is what you have been saying since the past 2 months. How long am I supposed to wait?
This time I'm very serious. And you have all my money to yourself. Smile, Joe. What was that?
Baby, come on. It's nothing. It's probably the water heater. You know, it makes noise when there is a high voltage.
The water heater is faulty.
Yeah, when there is a high voltage. Come on, relax yourself. Let's have fun.
What was that?
What?
I had the door open.
Come on. It's probably the water heater. You know, it makes a lot of noise whenever the voltage is high, so... Come on, why are you acting confused? Hmm? Come on, relax yourself, just have fun.
Yes, come in. Oh, Zina. Hello.
Hi,
Is everything okay?
Sima. Ebube wants to kill me. I don't know. Please call her and talk to her. I don't know what I've done to Ebube to be treating me this way.
You had a fight again?
No. She's still talking about divorce.
Did you offend her or hit her or something?
I did not. Please. I love Ebube. Please call her and talk to her for me. I don't know why she's doing this.
I will. You look stressed. I honestly think you should sit for a while before you take your leave. I'll call her. Please sit.
Hello, Zoma. Where I am? I just left the salon. Are you alright? You're sounding worried. Okay, I'll be in your office in a bit. Okay. See you.
Yeah, come in.
Zoma, are you alright? You sounded worried over the phone.
I'm fine. Please sit down.
Izuna was here. Ozoma, if you're going to beg me on his behalf, I'll walk out on you.
Can you calm down? Tell me one thing he's done wrong, and I will support you divorcing him.
I don't love him anymore. I want to be happy.
What about your son? You can't rethink this because of your son? Your son deserves to live in a happy home. What did he do wrong? You can't do this to Izuna. He's a good man.
Okay. I have heard you. I will think about it and get back to you. Please, can I go now?
Will you call me tonight about this?
I am not sure. Just let me go and think about it. Can I go? Thank you.
Do you have an issue with your wife?
No, I don't.
Or did she ask you for anything and you refused to give it to her?
I give her everything. Even more. I treat her like a queen.
This is strange, oh. Did you tell her mother?
I do not want to disturb the poor woman.
What do you mean by you don't want to disturb the poor woman? My guy, see, before woman go reason this thing when they tell you so, she go don't think am 2 times. Or did you think she's joking? Oh, but go meet the woman, make she talk sense into her. Which kind of rubbish be that one? So you don't want to disturb her?
I will.
Anyway, it's time for me to go. I have to reach the office. I'll call you later.
Thank you so much.
I'll call you later.
I appreciate it.
I am down and living in fear. There is so much that's going on around me. Is this my fate or the way I choose to live? There is no one that understands me. No one understands what I've been through. No one understands the mess I'm into. No one understands it. No one understands it. No one understands it.
One day for the owner. Obagimanti.
What is it? What is it now? What is it again?
What is what? What is what? Are you asking me what is it like you don't know what you have done? Oh, you don't know what you have done.
Look, look, I take God beg you. Don't make me do anything stupid. Because I'm going to beat the hell out of you here and right now.
Something stupid what? Something stupid what? Okay, you want me to shout, Abi? You want... Wife snatcher! Wife... Okay, Hogi, keep running! Keep running until the day I catch you! Until you... Look at him! Never don't call the... Where's my madam doing this thing? But, hey! Don't worry. I'm going to give you one day. On the Allah.
Oh, good day.
How are you?
Oh, I'm not fine.
Is there anything the matter?
Mama Ebube.
What happened to Ebube?
Mama, she wants divorce. And she's very serious about it.
I don't understand. What do you mean she wants a divorce?
Mama, she woke up and said that to me. I thought it was one of her pranks. But she meant it. She kept saying it. Mama, please. I've tried to talk to her. But to no avail. I want you to come and help me talk to her, please.
Did you have any problem with her?
Not at all. We didn't even exchange words before this thing happened.
Okay. Don't worry. I will talk to her.
Mama, please.
Okay?
Please, help me do that.
I will.
Oh. Well, I have to leave now.
Let me get something for you to eat.
Mama, no. Leave it. I'll do that when next I come, okay? Well, I'll see you.
What does she mean? She wants a divorce.
Mama, please.
I will.
Please.
Hello? Ebube. Yes, I'm fine. I want to see you right now. I don't care how you do it. I want to see you today. In short, right now. I am waiting. I have told you. I'm waiting. What does she mean? She wants a divorce. To return where? To my house? God forbid. God forbid. What has come over you?
Where did you learn being callous from? And who taught you that you can do anything you like with your life?
Mama, I already told you. I do not love him anymore.
Don't let your stupidity place you on the road. It will be very, very dangerous. Go home and enjoy your marriage.
Mama, I know what I want. My happiness in this marriage is dead. I don't want to be in it again.
But I don't want you to go astray. Have you thought of your son's life? Have you thought of him? Have you thought about him? Have you thought of his future? Do you know that's the only son you have? The only child? Eh?
Don't worry about my son, Mama. His father and Anna will take care of him. They will take care of him. Allow me live my life.
I should allow you live
Yes,
your life.
Mama.
Ebube. There's an adage that says, what an elderly person sit and see. When you climb, you will never say it. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say I did not warn you.
I am down and living in fear. There is so much that's going on around me. Is this my fate or the way I choose to live? There is no one that understands me. No one understands what I've been through. No one understands the mess I'm into. No one understands it. No one understands it. No one understands the pain in me. No one understands the fear I'm into. No one understands the trap I'm into. No one understands it. No one understands it. No one. No one understands. No one.
So, you went to report me to Ozioma and my mother. You think that will change anything? Well, it will not change anything because I am tired of this marriage and that is final.
Babe, what has come over you? Huh?
This has come over me.
Babe, what is it? Why do you want to do this? Huh? Are you serious over this divorce?
You cannot stop me from my happiness.
Ma, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Anna, shut up and stay away from this.
I will not shut up. I will not shut up, ma. Let me cover my face in shame and tell you that you're acting like a stupid girl.
Anna, don't talk to me in that manner. Never, don't talk to me in that manner.
I am not done talking. Now think about this. What happens to Steve? What happens to your own son when you leave?
Rubbish.
Babe? 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 What have I done want to deserve this, babe.
Excuse me. You want to tell my mother, right?
Please, don't do this to me. Eh? I don't deserve what you're doing to me.
Let me see how she's going to stop me from doing what I want to do.
Babe, see, let me explain something to you. You don't have to do this. Please. I'm sorry, don't leave me, please.
Do you know you're selfish? Everything is about you. Have you ever thought from 1 minute if I'm happy with you? No.
Why are you saying this? Haven't I been a good husband to you? Huh? Why are you sounding like this?
Alone.
Babe, come on.
Excuse me. Leave. Excuse me. Leave.
Don't do this. Please, I beg you, babe.
If you like, kneel. Roll on the floor. Please. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't do this now, please.
Don't touch me, I said! Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Don't.
Please don't leave me, please. Please, I beg you. Please don't do this.
Hit your head on the wall. If you like, hold me. It will not change. I'm not looking at. Why should I look at your face?
Look at this, your face.
Excuse me. Don't come close to me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't come close.
Don't do this now, please.
Sir, if I were you, I would lock the gates. Do not tear my clothes. When you're ready, you can go to the court.
Hey, please now, please don't do this. I'm begging you.
Take me.
I'm begging you. Come on, please now. Babe, come on. If you leave now, what will people say?
That's the problem. That is your problem. What will people say? I do not care. To hell with them. Do they know how I've been trying to survive living with a man I do not love?
Babe, listen. Please. You don't have to do this, okay? I am begging you in the name of God. Please.
Just let me go.
Babe. I'll do anything to make you happy. I'll do whatever in my power to make you happy. I'll turn everything around, okay? Don't do this. Please, don't do this now. I've been begging you.
Just leave me alone.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Leave me alone.
You know I love you. Oh, listen.
Leave me alone. Please open the door for me. Leave me alone. You get leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Yeah, who is it? I'm coming.
Oh my gosh. She has done it.
Done what?
She has done it. A baby has left me.
Wait. Oh, God. What happened?
They came back with divorce paper and left with her things.
You need to calm down. I mean, just maybe she's somewhere thinking about it and she will come back to her senses. But she hasn't come here.
Wait,
and I'm certain she'll be in her mother's place.
Why is it doing this to me? Why is she frustrating me? Why?
I honestly don't know, Izuna, and I'm so sorry.
Oh, God.
But you have to calm down. I mean, the whole anxiety will not solve anything. Just calm down, please.
Okay. I'm calm.
You should go to her mother's place and see if she's there and talk things out with her.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm fine.
No, you can't drive like this. You really need to calm down.
Okay. I'm fine now. I'm calm. Huh?
I'm really sorry about all of this. Honestly, I am.
It's okay.
I'll call you to know how it goes. I'll just check up on you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, you have to calm down. Izuna.
Milo.
Am I Zebe here?
No. What is the problem? Organi.
Mama. It came back with the divorce paper. And I tried stopping her. But she left with her things.
She left with her things. To where?
Mama, I don't know.
It is bad. It is bad. You have to take it easy. I will talk to her. Let me call her.
I don't know why he is doing this to me. I don't know. Oh, God.
Her phone is switched off. What do we call this madness? Call Zigini.
Mama, please. If you get her on the phone or you find her, please help me and ask her what I did to deserve this kind of treatment. Biko. Jolo mi Biko.
I will. What when if he married? Nothing. Just go. I will talk to her. And I will let her uncles to know what is going on.
It's okay.
You don't have to worry. Just go home. What has come over you? Did I divorce your father? I am still in my husband's house. Why do you want to quit your marriage? To where? No, now you can't be in my house. Never. What is all this?
B6, are you looking for Brahmanda?
Yes. Have you seen him today?
He traveled to the village and I heard that the mom is sick. He went to see her.
Okay, when he returns, tell him Ebube came to see him.
Can't you wait? I think he's coming back today.
No. I would come back later.
Okay, no problem.
This step you take could break your home. This step you take.
Has she gone? Yes, just leave now. Okay, thank you.
Baby. Yeah, she's gone. See, don't worry, she will never come again, I promise you. Okay? Alright, I'm coming in now.
Could break your home. This step you take could lead to death. A way might seem right, but the end is destruction. Be careful. is bed undefiled. It's a journey ordained by God. Avoid the practice of infidelity. The eyes of God sees. It sees so deep. Hold on to the vow you made to each other.
Good day. Why your face like this? But go and get a seat. There's a seat here. Get a seat, please. Go and get a seat. Ezebongo, why is your face like this?
Papa Ebube.
Did anything bad happen?
Ebube.
Ebube.
Papa, Ebube has left me.
Ebube left you? How do you mean? She left you to where?
Papa, 3 days ago, she just woke up and told me that she wanted divorce. I went to tell her mother. Then her mother called her to order. She got angry and left with her things.
I don't get it. What type of story is this? Did you have any problem with her?
No, not at all.
Did you beat her? Did she ask of anything and you did not give it to her? Tell me, are you cheating on her?
Papa, I've not done anything wrong to Ebube. I've never cheated on her. I've never laid my hands on her. There is nothing that Ebube has asked of that I did not give to her.
So what type of madness that has come over her?
Papa, she just left me. We just left.
All right. Please, just calm down. Don't worry, I'll go and see her uncles and I'll tell them what has happened. Just take it easy so that you'll not break down. All right? I'll take care of it. Why don't I bring a cup in?
Papa, no. I have to go now. I'll see you.
Please drive safely. There is one thing that will lead a woman to that kind of behavior. Infidelity. Yes. Infidelity.
Mr. Izuna,
Doc.
your son has a severe kidney damage. We must operate on him in the next 3 days. If not, he will die.
So, doctor, how much are we talking about here?
3 million naira to be precise. And we must hurry immediately. We have no more time. Please hurry, okay?
Who's it? Ebube. You're just going to stroll in like that? I mean, like, how could you? After everything I told you, you went there, dropped off divorce papers, and you left? What has come over you? Do you think it is easy to find a good man out there?
I did not come for you to shout at me. I came here to clear my head and think.
No, you're not resting your head in my house. No, you are going to go back to your house, to your son and your husband who both need you at this time. Ebube, this life you want to live will lead you nowhere. Read my lips. It will lead to destruction. It leads nowhere. Listen to me. I have been deceived like this before. Please.
Okay. Ah, ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Hey.
You sounded so much like... Cause I didn't even do anything. I couldn't do anything.
Well, English, leave English alone. What? My body. You see the way my body is spoiling. You've not heard.
What is it?
Wait, though. Don't tell me you've not heard that your husband's wife gave birth. Ah.
My husband's wife gave birth.
Kenny, you asking me?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Uzoma, are you telling me that you don't know that your husband's wife has given birth to a baby boy in Calabar? My sister told me. Oh.
You mean Kelly?
Johnny Temini. Who is Kelly? Am I the one that is married to Kelly? Uzoma, so you are here. No wonder you are went up and down and you are calling me catwalking. Ah, no, monsieur. That means I'm sorry for you. My dear, if I were you, you will get ready. You will give him uppercut, middle, up and down, middle center.
Wait. Wait. Somebody gave birth for Kelly.
I said the woman. If you see the baby boy, let me, my friend, you have seen something. The boy is so healthy. Pompa, who are very healthy. See, if it's me. Wait, see, before I go I don't want to look like Memo. You know, you say your bad people, they talk too much. It's not like that. Don't tell him anything. Did you see me? Did you see me?
Yes.
For where?
Okay, no, I didn't see you.
You did not see me. I did not tell anything. Baby, don't even allow him to touch you. My friendship, don't allow him to touch you. Make sure you show him pepper. If you can suckle him up and down. Don't allow him to touch you. Don't say Buki Ajayi is not a good girl. That means you have suffered.
Somebody gave birth for Kelly.
Baby boy. Me, I like myself. Sure, it's about funny. If I give him up and down, man. It's not that. Are you still sitting down? Oh, whatever. Don't allow him to touch you. Give him action. Be ready. Show him win. You put pepper in his.
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it? What do you mean, what is it? So you are planning to escape from this house without giving me money? Is that a plan?
Ozuma, please. Please. Don't start your madness this morning. I'm not in a good mood.
You call me mad? Oh no, did you just address me as mad? I'm now a mad woman. Your entire family, they are mad. Your mother is mad, your father is mad, your brother is mad, your sister is mad. In fact, your entire lineage, they are all mad. Raving mad.
Ozuma, what is wrong with you? What's your problem? Why do you always look for an avenue to ruin my joy? What do you derive from it? Look, this is not fair, Ozoma. I'm married to you because I loved you. Now look what you've turned into, a cantankerous woman. My God.
You have started calling me names? Cantankerous? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by cantankerous? That is an insult. An insult. You're not leaving this house today. What do you mean by that? You have to beat me. You have to beat me today! You must beat me!
What is wrong with you?
Beat me now!
What is your problem?
You have to beat me.
Don't you think what you're doing is unfair? Ozoma, don't you think don't you have conscience?
I don't have.
Ozoma!
Watch my teeth.
What is wrong with you, Ozoma?
Punch me. Did you just push me? Wait, no. Wait, can you? Desmond. I'm talking to you. Where are you going? Where are you going? You will not go anywhere. So you pushed me. You pushed me. You want to kill me so that you can marry that wife? Eh? You want to kill me? I'm going to use this spoon and sound your nose so that you will have sex in case you don't have sex. Useless human being. You want to kill me so that you can marry that wife? You will know yourself in this house. You will know yourself.
Look, don't use that spoon to touch my shirt again.
What will you do?
I'm already late for work. If there's anything wrong with you, go inside and fix it. I'm warning you for the last time. Don't ruin my day!
But you have ruined my own day! Kelly, you have ruined my own day, so I will in turn ruin your day! You are a useless person.
Ozoma, leave me alone.
Why should I?
I will not give the glory of beating or fighting you this morning. Ozoma, I am not a dog!
Hey! So, you called me a dog? Kelly, you just called me a dog. Your mother is a dog. Your sisters are dogs. Your entire family, they are all dogs.
I will not have you insult my mother like that. You hear me?
Do your worst.
I should do my worst.
Yes.
You do my worst.
Yes. Beat me. I said beat me. Do your worst. Do your worst. Why is you? Beat me now. Beat me. Where are you going? Oh, you're ignoring me? Yeah? What a car. Yes. Isn't it beautiful? Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head? What is it? I don't get it. Christ. Your son is in the hospital. And the first thing you do with the land that you sold is to buy a car? Ozoma, please. I didn't come here for this, your sermon. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with your head? What is it? Who is the boy I saw you with last time? Oh, he's my sugar. Ozoma, please, I just came to show you my car. Why are you getting angry? I'm not angry. I'm feeling embarrassed and ashamed of how useless and heartless you are acting. Stop it. Enough. Ozoma, this is my life. Allow me to live it to the fullest. You don't have any right to detect me what is good and bad. Really? Yes. Oh, I see. You're jealous. Yes. You're jealous because you do not have a car. Let me educate you. Better still, let me inform you. That's just a